Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 Fiance visa and expiration dates on those types of visas. So what are we talking about here? Well, once your visa is issued, you've actually got the visa, it is valid for a certain period of time, and you have to use it within that period of time in order to be lawfully admitted into the United States. Now, to be clear, this is not the validity of one's status once in the USA. A K-1 visa confers 90 days of lawful status at entry in the USA. What we're talking about here is the actual validity of the travel document, the visa itself. Generally speaking, we see these issued with 6 months validity, but this can vary. It sometimes depends on the facts of a given case, certain documentation, including but not limited to medical exam documentation, certain police clearances. They have kind of, for lack of a better term, a sell-by date. They can go sort of stale, and sometimes the visa will be issued with an expiration date that's less than 6 months. So things can kind of vary with respect to that. Generally, we see a 6-month validity, but the reason for the video is because one needs to be aware of this, because if a visa expires, and we've seen this become an issue more frequently since the beginning of this whole COVID response, whatever you want to call this era that we've been dealing with, where we've been dealing with all these heightened travel restrictions in the government's response to COVID, that this expiration date issue has come up much more frequently than in the past. And so for this reason, I thought I'd go ahead and make this video. Be aware of that expiration date. That visa is not just good forever. You have to use it within a certain period of time. Your specific expiration date, and it's your duty, it's on you to ascertain what that date is, and it may be less than 6 months. It may not necessarily be a set 6 months. It may vary from case to case. So be aware of that. Even after the visa's issued, you do have a set period of time in which to use it, and you need to use it in a timely manner.